Cybersecurity is one of the most critical and dynamic fields in today's tech-driven world. From protecting sensitive data to ensuring uninterrupted business operations, cybersecurity professionals play a pivotal role across industries. In this guide, we will explore various cybersecurity job roles, their responsibilities, and the skills needed to excel in them. Security analysts are the first line of defense against cyber threats. They monitor systems and respond to incidents, ensuring organizational assets remain secure. Key responsibilities: monitor networks and systems for suspicious activities, perform vulnerability assessments and risk analysis, develop and enforce security policies. Skills required: proficiency in CM tools, knowledge of malware analysis and incident response, strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Penetration testers simulate cyber attacks to uncover vulnerabilities before malicious actors can exploit them. Key responsibilities: conduct penetration tests on networks, systems, and applications. Identify vulnerabilities and propose mitigation strategies. Prepare detailed reports of findings. Skills required: expertise in penetration testing tools like Metasploit and Burp Suite. Understanding of OWASP principles. Scripting skills in Python, Bash, or PowerShell. Cybersecurity engineers design and implement robust security systems to protect against threats. Key responsibilities: develop and maintain secure network architectures. Configure firewalls, VPNs, and other security tools. Ensure compliance with organizational security policies. Skills required: in-depth knowledge of encryption and network protocols, familiarity with cloud security solutions, experience with vulnerability assessment tools. A security architect designs comprehensive security frameworks for organizations, ensuring all systems are safeguarded. Key responsibilities include assessing existing security measures and identifying gaps, developing security roadmaps aligned with business objectives, and collaborating with teams to integrate security into projects. Skills required for this role are a strong understanding of risk assessment frameworks, system design and architecture expertise, and familiarity with compliance standards like ISO 27001 and NIST. Incident response specialists handle cyber incidents from detection to recovery, minimizing impact on the organization. Their key responsibilities involve analyzing and mitigating security breaches, conducting forensic investigations to determine root causes, and developing and refining incident response playbooks. The skills required for an incident response specialist include proficiency in digital forensics tools, crisis management and communication skills, and malware analysis expertise. GRC specialists ensure organizations adhere to regulatory requirements and implement robust risk management practices. Key responsibilities for this role include developing and enforcing security policies, conducting compliance audits, and providing training on security awareness. Skills required for a GRC specialist are a deep understanding of frameworks like GDPR and ISO 27001, strong auditing, and documentation skills and expertise in risk management. The Chief Information Security Officer, or CISO, leads the cybersecurity strategy for organizations, aligning security with business goals. Some key responsibilities include developing and overseeing the implementation of security strategies, managing budgets for security initiatives, and communicating security risks to executives. The skills required for this role are, well, quite extensive. Leadership and strategic planning are essential, along with advanced knowledge of emerging threats. Experience in executive communication is also crucial. Threat intelligence analysts monitor and analyze the cyber threat landscape to identify and mitigate potential risks. Key responsibilities: track and report on emerging threats, develop actionable intelligence for security teams, maintain threat intelligence databases. Skills required: knowledge of OSINT tools, expertise in advanced persistent threats, or APT, threat hunting techniques. Application security engineers focus on securing software applications by identifying and addressing vulnerabilities. Key responsibilities: perform code reviews and security testing, collaborate with developers to implement secure coding practices, use tools to identify application vulnerabilities. Skills required: knowledge of secure coding principles, familiarity with DevSecOps methodologies, expertise in vulnerability scanning tools. Cloud security specialists secure cloud environments and ensure data protection in cloud-based infrastructures. Key responsibilities: implement and manage cloud security measures, monitor cloud services for unauthorized access, ensure compliance with cloud security framework. Skills required: proficiency in cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP, knowledge of encryption and access controls, cloud-specific threat detection expertise. The field of cybersecurity offers diverse career opportunities, each requiring a unique blend of technical skills, analytical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. Whether you are just starting your journey or looking to specialize, the demand for cybersecurity professionals continues to grow, making it a rewarding and impactful career choice.